if you had to give, like, if you had this poor starving kid who was like, I need to make money this month, like, what is the fastest route to making money that you would suggest? Would it be promoting the affiliate product? Would it be creating your YouTube channel? What is the path that you'd be like, okay, kid, just hop on this path and see it till the end. Just push hard for the next 30 days.
Yeah, so it definitely wouldn't be YouTube. I love YouTube, but I love YouTube because it's passive, not fast. I would say it's Facebook. Like when I look at the way Facebook is built, I think anybody can make money in 30 days on Facebook, just through their own personal profile. So like whenever people ask me like, I need money now, then we kind of cut out affiliate marketing. We cut out all the things I teach, because those are all to not make money now. They're to retire in 5 years, right? I always say, get on Facebook, choose your niche, go join 20 groups, go make 5,000 friends, right? So Facebook hands you an audience of 5,000 people just without you having to do anything except for like click add, right? And like half the people who have no idea who you are still like, okay. And then they need to know who you are at that point, right? Like, so then you can't just be like, buy my crap, like who is this? But so I always say, like, build that out, go add a ton of friends, go join a ton of groups, and then go post, and then go post crazy. Like, start consistently posting on your own profile and on these groups as many tons of times a day, like to where your name comes to their mind every time that subject is brought up. Like, so if I was trying to sell my affiliate marketing course, right, that way, I would post 5 posts a day about affiliate marketing, engaging posts on my Facebook page. I would post in these groups. I go respond to people's questions in these groups, right? I'd be like very, very active for, I guess if you need to make money in 30 days, I'd be active for 15 days, right? It takes 15 days to where people are like, oh, I know this guy. He's like legit, right? He's always talking and like posting and stuff. And then you start doing these little offers, right, where you're posting lead magnets and well, I would say if you need money now, client offers, right? Hey, I'm taking on 5 people. I'm going to build your funnel. I'm going to set up your ads, something for $500. And they're literally, anybody can do that. Like anybody, you can learn a skill in 15 days that can be enough, and you can build your audience in 15 days if you are desperate enough and willing to do that.
So the fastest way to hack profits isn't necessarily to go and like create a massive system. It's just to go and work like a dog in Facebook.
Yeah, if you need speed, I'd say hop on a Facebook, work like a dog. Exactly. There are so many people willing to hire on Facebook, and looking, right. And if you could, like, $500 is nothing to a lot of these business owners. While it may feel like a lot to you, and honestly, you just need to be a little ahead of them, right? Like, go learn email marketing, go take a course on Udemy on email marketing, go take a course on AdWords. 90% of people I talk to are totally clueless on AdWords, but every single one of them, their business could benefit from it. You could go take an AdWords course in 3 days and AdWords, and you can go grab 5 clients. $500 a month is tiny to a lot of these businesses, right? So yeah, that's how I do it.
Nice. Thank you.
I think you got a cool thing going with like the funnel hacking thing. Like, I don't know how well it's doing in terms of audience, but I think you've got a cool idea. Like, I keep telling I don't watch any content ever. Like, I'm terrible at that. But I keep seeing you go live. I'm like, oh, I want to see that. Like, I want to go in and watch like what this guy's business looks like, right? From me, and like get a good idea. But then I forget, and I don't, because I seriously don't ever watch anybody's content. But
yeah.
Which that's a whole new conversation, but I think you've got a good thing. I think you should build up like the same strategy, right? Get 5,000 followers in the 5,000 friends in the ClickFunnels group, and then just start posting like, hey, we went inside this guy's business today. Let me know if you want access, and then do those stupid ladder posts, and you'll explode. And then go do lives like in other people's groups, and
right.
I did that a lot in the beginning. Like when I was selling my course, I posted in Facebook groups. I posted screenshots, and I'm just so glad that I don't have to anymore. But everyone kind of does that in the beginning.
All right, that's why I'm getting spammed by people all the time. So you're a crypto guy.
Yeah. So what I did, and this might take too long now at this point, I've created a list in my Facebook friends. I have a list of all of the entrepreneur ones, like my original like 500 friends that I actually care about that are like living around here. And then the rest are on a list called entrepreneurs. And when I post, I exclude regular friends and just do my entrepreneur friends.
Dude, can you do a YouTube video about that and toss it up on YouTube?
Yes.
Like that is attractive because everybody's afraid of being businessy on their Facebook page,
Including me.
And I was talking to Josh Forty, and he was like, "Yeah, you need to delete everybody who is not your family and friends." And I'm like, "Oh, that's painful."
Wait, he said delete everybody that's not your family and friends?
Or no, that are your family and friends and devote it to business.
Yeah, I hate when people recommend, like, because, yeah, that drives me nuts.
Yeah. And so I even like I'm ready to do it, but at the same time, I'm like, I feel like I'm tearing off a Band-Aid.
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't know. To me, that takes an approach of, like, the only thing I care about on planet Earth is making money and building my business. And if you're a friend of mine, I don't care. I'm deleting. You know, like, my Facebook page is just to make money. Like, I don't know. That's what it says to me. So that's what I did, and it works. It works pretty well. Because it would work pretty well if I posted a lot. I never post, but well, back when I did post, that's how I did it. I did that a lot in the beginning, like when I was selling my course. I posted in Facebook groups. You know, I posted screenshots, and I'm just so glad that I don't have to anymore. But everyone kind of does that in the beginning.
All right, that's why I'm getting spammed by people all the time. So you're a crypto guy.
Yeah.